Alright guys, welcome back to This is Australia with Damian and Candetti. I'm here today with Neil from Dario Caravans and Repairs. He's going to be taking us through a handover today of a Snowy River caravan.
The back of the caravan's quite simple. We supply you with a reversing camera, really handy to watch people coming up from behind you, and you can adjust it. There are two adjustments on it to focus in a lot closer to the back of the van. We give you a spare wheel cover with the Dario branding all over it. There's a vent on the back. The bumper bar can actually be uprated to a 3 or a 4 arm bumper if you wanted to put jerry can holders. There's a lot more going on the driver's side of the caravan. On this side here, you've got a cassette for your waste. This is emptied into the regulated dumps places in the caravan park or on the road. Venting for fridges. Power inlet in. This is a 15 amp plug in. Aerial, and this is handy if you're in a place where they've got the cabling from the ensuite or something like that and utilising their satellite at the caravan park. Obviously you've got a jacking place here for particular jacks on the market. You've got grey water on this particular caravan, so you can vent it out, releasing all the waste once you get to your dump spot. The van has twin fillers for twin water tanks. They also are placed strategically, one to the rear and one to the front of the axles. Down here you have twin battery boxes. We supply you with one and you're able to load up with a second battery should you need. You've got your gas hot water system that works on electricity and gas. Then you've got access to your front boot through the little holes on the front. You can design this how you choose. You can actually put the gas hot water system to the rear of the caravan, but that comes in the design phase, so just talk to your salesman. All in all, the Snowy River caravans are a robust caravan and you should have many years of enjoyment. Thanks for coming along with us during this handover on the Snowy River caravan. We've got a lot more detail to come in the following videos.
Thanks for watching. Bye.